Indian monsoons. Indian monsoons. The term monsoon has been derived from the Arabic word mausim or from the Malayan word monsoon meaning season. Monsoons are seasonal winds, rhythmic wind movements, periodic winds, which reverse their direction with the change of season. The monsoon is a double system of seasonal winds. They flow from sea to land during the summer and from land to sea during winter. Some scholars tend to treat the monsoon winds as land and sea breeze on a large scale. Monsoons are peculiar to Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, parts of Central Western Africa etc. They are more pronounced in the Indian subcontinent compared to any other region. Indian monsoons are convection cells on a very large scale. They are periodic or secondary winds which seasonal reversal in wind direction. India receives southwest monsoon winds in summer and northeast monsoon winds in winter. Southwest monsoons are formed due to intense low-pressure system formed over the Tibetan Plateau. Northeast monsoons are associated with high-pressure cells over Tibetan and Siberian plateaus. Southwest monsoons bring intense rainfall to most of the regions in India, and northeast monsoons bring rainfall to mainly southeastern coast of India, southern coast of Simandra and the coast of Tamil Nadu. Countries like India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Myanmar etc. receive most of the annual rainfall during southwest monsoon season, whereas southeast China, Japan etc. during northeast rainfall season. Mechanism of Indian monsoons. Classical theory. Monsoons are mentioned in scriptures like the Rig Veda. But these scriptures didn't make any mention of the monsoon mechanism. The first scientific study of the monsoon winds was done by Arab traders. Arab traders used the sea route to carry out trade with India, and monsoon patterns were of prime importance for them. In the 10th century, al-Masudi, an Arab explorer, gave an account of the reversal of ocean currents and the monsoon winds over the North Indian Ocean. In 17th century, Sir Edmund Halley explained the monsoon as resulting from thermal contrasts between continents and oceans due to their differential heating. Modern theories. Besides differential heating, the development of monsoon is influenced by the shape of the continents, orography, mountains, and the conditions of air circulation in the upper troposphere, jet streams. Therefore, Halley's theory has lost much of its significance, and modern theories based on air masses and jet stream are becoming more relevant. Indian monsoons. Classical theory. Sir Edmund Halley's theory. Summer monsoon. In summer, the sun's apparent path is vertically over the Tropic of Cancer, resulting in high temperature and low pressure in Central Asia. The pressure is sufficiently high over Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Hence winds flowed from oceans flow towards landmass in summer. This airflow from sea to land bring heavy rainfall to the Indian subcontinent. Winter monsoon. In winter, the sun's apparent path is vertically over the Tropic of Capricorn. The northwestern part of India grows colder than Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal, and the flow of the monsoon is reversed. The basic idea behind classical theory is similar to land and sea breeze formation, except that in the case of monsoons the day and night are replaced by summer and winter. Indian monsoons. Modern theory. Air mass theory. According to this theory, the monsoon is simply a modification of the planetary winds of the tropics. The theory is based on the migration of ITCZ based on seasons. Indian monsoons. Role of ITCZ, Intertropical Convergence Zone. The southeast trade winds in the southern hemisphere and the northeast trade winds in the northern hemisphere meet each other near the equator. The meeting place of these winds is known as the Intertropical Convergence Zone, ITCZ. This is the region of ascending air, maximum clouds and heavy rainfall. The location of ITCZ shifts north and south of equator with the change of season. In the summer season, the sun shines vertically over the Tropic of Cancer and the ITCZ shifts northwards. The southeast trade winds of the southern hemisphere cross the equator and start blowing in southwest to northeast direction under the influence of Coriolis force. These displaced trade winds are called southwest monsoons when they blow over the Indian subcontinent. The front where the southwest monsoons meet the northeast trade winds is known as the monsoon front, ITCZ. Rainfall occurs along this front. In the month of July, the ITCZ shifts to 20 degrees to 25 degrees north latitude and is located in the Indo-Gangetic Plain, and the southwest monsoons blow from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. The ITCZ in this position is often called the monsoon trough, maximum rainfall. The seasonal shift of the ITCZ has given the concept of Northern Intertropical Convergence Zone, NITCZ, in summer, July, rainy season, and Southern Intertropical Convergence Zone, SITCZ, in winter, Jan, dry season. NITCZ is the zone of clouds and heavy rainfall that affect India. Thank you.